Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the stunning flush mount ceiling light with frosted glass shade, a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality. This exquisite fixture features a unique glass shade paired with a classic gold matte metal base, instantly transforming any space into a farmhouse-inspired haven. Designed to accommodate two E26 base bulbs, this versatile light works seamlessly with incandescent, LED, CFL, and halogen bulbs, providing a warm and inviting glow to your home. Installation is a breeze with all the necessary hardware included, making it an ideal project for any DIY enthusiast. Perfect for a variety of settings, from hallways and kitchens to bedrooms and living rooms, this light fixture also shines in commercial spaces like bars and cafes. Safety is a top priority with its ETL listing, and it comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Elevate your home or business decor with this elegant and reliable lighting solution, and enjoy the timeless beauty it brings to any room. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.